Episode 15, Fried Thanksgiving Balls. Hello, and happy Thanksgiving. I know what you're all thinking. Let's revitalize those leftovers. Mix together 3 cups of mashed potatoes, 2 cups chopped turkey, 1.5 cups of stuffing, 1 cup of cheese, chopped green onions, and a little salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Mix it all together. Then add 3 eggs beaten, and then mix it all until it becomes one gloopy mess. Get a bowl of breadcrumbs, scoop or spoon out the mix, and roll into a ball in the breadcrumbs. Then immediately drop it into some hot veggie oil using a slotted spoon. Let it fry for 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the size of the ball and how hot your oil is. Golden brown delicious. Plate them up with some leftover gravy and, not pictured, some cranberry sauce. This is a surprisingly simple way to finish off all those leftovers, and damn, it's tasty too. They're crispy, hot, they don't even taste like you made everything 2 days ago. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I will see you all real soon. Why not follow?